Let's jump right in. Number 1 is to start with daily practice. Even just 5 minutes of daily practice can make a huge difference in your fluency and confidence with speaking French. It's better to have a daily routine of practicing French for just 5 or 10 minutes than having long study sessions once or twice a week. Consistency is key when it comes to language learning, and even just a few minutes each day can help you maintain what you've learned and make steady progress over time. So set a realistic goal for yourself, such as practicing for just 5 minutes each day. You can use this time to review vocabulary, practice pronunciation, or simply chat with yourself in French about your day or other topics that interest you. The important thing is to be consistent and make it a habit to practice every day, even if it's just for a few minutes, and you might be surprised at how much progress you can make over time. Number 2, focus on speaking from day 1. Don't wait until you feel ready to start speaking. The best way to improve your speaking skills is to start speaking as soon as possible, even if you're a beginner. It might feel intimidating at first, but the more you speak, the better you'll become. So don't wait until you feel perfect. Just start speaking and embrace the journey. 3, use every opportunity to practice. If you want to become fluent in French, it's important to immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. So take advantage of every opportunity you get to practice your speaking skills. This could mean chatting with a friend, watching French TV shows, or listening to French podcasts. Every little bit of exposure to the language will help you become more comfortable speaking it. Plus, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone does when they're learning a new language. The important thing is to keep practicing and learning from your mistakes, so don't be shy. Embrace every opportunity to speak French and enjoy the process of becoming fluent. Number 4, find a language partner or join a conversation group. One of the best ways to improve your spoken French is to find a language partner or join a conversation group where you can practice speaking with other learners or native speakers. This can help you get comfortable speaking French in a low-pressure environment. You can also receive feedback on your pronunciation and grammar from your conversation partners. There are many online platforms where you can find language partners or conversation groups. So take advantage of these resources to practice your French and improve your fluency. No. 5, record yourself while speaking. If you want to improve your spoken French, one of the most helpful things you can do is record yourself while speaking. This will allow you to listen back and identify areas that need improvement, whether it's your pronunciation, grammar, or fluency. By recording yourself, you'll be able to pinpoint exactly what you need to work on and develop a plan to address those issues. You may be self-conscious about recording yourself at first, but the benefits far outweigh any discomfort. With this tool, you'll be able to track your progress and see how far you've come on your French learning journey. So go ahead and give it a try. You won't regret it. And there you have it. 5 simple tips to help you improve your spoken French. Remember that learning a language takes time and effort, so be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Whether you're just starting out or you've been studying French for a while, we hope these tips will help you become a more confident and fluent speaker. So practice regularly, find opportunities to speak, use helpful resources like language partners and conversation groups, and don't forget to record yourself. Bonne chance, and happy French learning!